As you know, Japan has been hit hard, and our hearts go out to all the people in Japan. But at the same time, this is something to learn from. How do we, as the Haitian diaspora, make sure that Haitian government, the people who so said they care about Haiti, whether it be the international community, specifically the United States, as we know they are in control of what's going on down there, the Canadian and the French as well, to make sure that we are prepared in case something, not even of that magnitude, happened in Haiti, but half a quarter of what happened. Because if something like this were to happen in Haiti, what do we do? Are we prepared for it? Those are the things that I think we, as you and I, can be talking about, because you know, the old politician and generation wants to get caught up into politics and politics only. But somebody has to worry about what happens if we get hit with a strong hurricane. What happens if we get another earthquake and that provokes a tsunami? What do we do as a people? Salusa, how much pressure do we need to put on the next president of Haiti to make sure that preparedness is at the top of their list?
1 year, 2 months to the date of our earthquake. We have an earthquake in Japan. It's unfortunate that it is happening to Japan. It's unfortunate that it's about to happen elsewhere.
He said it's about to happen elsewhere.
Oh yeah, I mean it is. It's about to happen elsewhere. We said it.
Yeah,
actually,
we did talk about it
the very first week that we received the earthquake, and we said there's going to be many other disasters, and if we as Haitians do not take responsibility for Haiti, when those disasters that are larger than our disasters, Haiti will be forgotten, and the forces that we have in Haiti will get up, pack up, and leave Haiti
with the money they have.
With the money that they have, and walk away and go help another country, because
probably using that same money.
Using that same money, because that country is of more interest to the livelihood of their country.
Yeah.
And they will move there.
So, Salusa, take this conversation right there for me. How important it is for us to become ambassadors for Haiti, taking into consideration what's going on in the Middle East, what's going on with Japan right now, and what is about to happen. Because nobody's going to, I mean, you don't see Haiti on CNN and all that stuff.
1 year, 1 year, 1 month, okay, 1 year, 1 month after the earthquake, we start seeing the world is shaking. Yeah. Not earthquake, but the world is literally shaking.
Yeah.
We look at the Middle East, and the Middle East is being shaken. Gaddafi is trying to put a strong hold on things,
yeah.
But things are going to roll up and down. Gas is going high, but let's look at Haiti, something like that. We were lucky. And as much as they said that Haiti is, yeah. I mean, at first, here's the first statement. Oh, pays ça son pays, à cause de vaudou, trop vaudou dans le pays, c'est ça qui fait nous get tremblement de terre. Ladies and gentlemen, please understand, it is already in the Bible that some of these things will happen, and the reason why it is said that it is happened because of the way that the world is, and it has happened before, and the Bible is a book of historical occurrences,
yeah.
Things that happen when people react with people,
yeah.
Things that happen when nature reacts with nature. La mer rouge ouvri pour comment elle passe, et là on parle nous de lâche de Noé. Pour quelle raison pense Noé te gen lâche? Parce que te gen tsunami. OK? Te gen tsunami, te pral gon tsunami qui pral passer pral aller moun. Well, nous allons bâtir un gros bâtiment, nous mettre sous tête au monde en Haïti, parce que, vous comprenez ce qui passe? Si t'as vu un tsunami, encore me dit, we are lucky. We are lucky because we did not get a tsunami after the earthquake. Yeah. And our earthquake was just this much away from what they just received.
Yeah.
Okay? We did not get a tsunami. And if we did get a tsunami, every single one of the people who are living in Port-au-Prince, Saint Mark, because everyone lived right next to the sea,
the water, yeah.
To the water, not even a mile away from the water. Everyone's there. If you look at the upper scale view from Japan, That water went up about 30-some foot high, and it took houses, it took boats, it took
like little toys,
thousands of cars, like little toys. And I'm looking at it, I'm like, that reminded me when I was a kid. I used to play with toy cars with the water and just throw it in the water. That's what it looks like, and people could not do anything.